Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to find Telegram movie bot channels easily and quickly. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and make sure to update the latest version of the Telegram app. To do that, open the Play Store and then go to the search menu at the top. Step 2. From the menu, type the name Telegram and search it. Then, select the result. If you see an update button, tap on it to install the latest version. Or, if you already have the app updated, that's great. Step 3. Now go back to your home screen and open the browser app. Once you're inside the browser, go to the search bar at the top and type the name Telegram Movie Bot, then press the search button. Step 4. After searching, you'll see a list of Telegram Movie Bot channels in the search results. Look through the list and pick the one that suits your needs. These bots can help you find and watch movies directly in the app, so enjoy exploring them. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.